I'm going to do is just come out here about a mile or so, and what I'm going to do is then start to descend down to our pattern altitude. I'm going to reduce my power, add my carb heat so we don't get any icing in the engine. And we'll start a nice bank, 30-degree bank turn while we're descending. That should put us about 45 degrees to the downwind leg. So our downwind leg is going to be to the north. So we're going to come in about 45 degrees to that. St. Charles County traffic, 6343 Delta is 45 teardrop entry for runway 18, touch and go, County. You can see here is our airport coming up. We're still descending. About 45-degree angle.
Hey, County traffic, very short, final 18, simulated emergency, St. Charles.
Okay. All right, so then we're going to continue our turn. Be on and downwind. Now our runway is off to our left. We're parallel to the runway. Okay, and there's the aircraft on final. Okay, so when we beam about the numbers there, we're going to reduce our power. So beam our touchdown point, reduce our power to about 1,500 RPMs, and add 10 degrees of flaps and start our descent. We're maintaining a nice straight track along the ground, and at about 80 knots of airspeed. Once the runway gets to be about 45 degrees behind us, we're going to continue to slow the airplane. We're going to turn what's called our base leg. We're going to turn 90 degrees to the west at about a 30-degree bank. We're going to turn a little bit more than 90 because we have the wind from our left and we don't want to be drifted out away from the runway. So we're going to turn a little bit more than 90. It's called a crab. Go 20 degrees of flaps and pitch for about 70 knots and reduce our power because we have a big updraft out here. Look both ways. County traffic 43 Delta is turning a mile and a half final for runway 18, County traffic. Okay, so we're going to trim for an airspeed. I have a lot of power reduced, practically an idle setting because we have a lot of air moving up, a lot of updrafts around here, so I want to maintain my glide angle by adjusting my power. Very similar to when it's slow flight. If I'm very slow, I need a lot of power to maintain slow flight. All I'm doing is adjusting my power. If I reduce power, I will decrease my glide angle. Another updraft. The other thing I can do is I can slip a little bit, so I can actually turn the nose sideways and reduce my glide angle. And maintaining that center line. When we get close to the runway, I know I have the runway mate, so my power is at idle. What I'm going to do is lift that nose. Just keep bringing it up, keep bringing it up, keep bringing it up until we touch down. Maintain the center line and roll it out. Blow flaps up, carb heat. We'll go ahead and add some power.